Hello everyone. As you know that today we are celebrating Dr. B. Ambedkar's birth anniversary. As Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti observed every year on 14th April. In recognition of Ambedkar Jayanti essential contribution to the Indian legal system and constitution, the day is marked every year. In the Canadian province of British Columbia, the day is also known as Ambedkar Equality Day. Dr. B. Ambedkar, the country's first law minister, the day is known as Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar is widely regarded as the founder of the Indian Constitution. Under his presidency, the Constituent Assembly drafted the world's longest written constitution, which is known as the Indian Constitution. Ambedkar Jayanti is also observed to commemorate the jurist's commitment to combating societal ills like caste, prejudice, and injustice throughout his lifetime. He was a staunch opponent of the caste system and he worked tirelessly to get it eliminated from the society. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was also a social reformer, economist, and influential orator. He became a leading advocate for the India's independence from British control, leading to the formation of the Indian National Congress. So this Ambedkar Jayanti, let's pledge to stand against discrimination and fight inequality. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar will always inspire us to dedicate our lives to making other people's lives better. So my warm wishes to all of you on this Ambedkar Jayanti. Wish you a very happy Ambedkar Jayanti. A famous quote said by Bhimrao Ambedkar, be educated, be organized, and be agitated. And the other one, cultivation of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence. So thank you.